Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of emulated on the application of REDnote. We click on settings, then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will scrolling down until you find this application of REDnote and you will enter. Then this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end you can go to Play Store, you will search about the application of REDnote, and if you find here update you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us, bell icon, subscribe. See you next time and thank you.